Hello everyone. You're looking at a 2016 Mazda 3 2.5 liter. I'm the kind of person that likes to shift the car at 3,000 RPMs, and usually it'll do a tenth of a mile. You'll get up to 47 miles an hour. Well, I wanted to do a little experiment and see if I could make my own cold air intake without spending any money. So what I did is I flipped the air cleaning element on my car and then used tape around the edges to seal it, and then used a pop bottle to stop it from vibrating. And now when I do a tenth of a mile, I can get up to 52 miles an hour by shifting at 3,000 RPMs. So I don't know if I increase the amount of torque, low end, or anything like that, but this gets you 5 miles an hour more in a tenth of a mile while shifting at 3,000 RPMs. Anyways, I just thought this would be a good video to show. Kind of neat. Have fun with your car. Bye.